how to turn on or turn off call bearing on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can turn on or turn off call bearing on Android. So without any further ado, let's get started. First up, you have to open up phone and your device. Here, tap on three dots icon from the top right corner and then tap on settings. Under settings, tap on calling account. Here, you have to select your SIM card according to your preference. Then tap on call bearing. Wait until you have this call bearing settings loaded up in your interface. It says reading settings, so you have to wait until that. Once it is loaded up in your interface, tap on outgoing international, and from here you can simply turn on or turn off the call bearing. Here it will ask you to enter your password, enter your device password, and then you can simply turn on. So that's how you can turn on or turn off call bearing on Android, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.